everyone, so today we're gonna learn about how to find the roots of nonlinear equation by using bisection method to an error level of 0.05 in Microsoft Excel. Our function here is x cubed minus 2x minus 5. So we're gonna start by creating some headers for our table. The first one is iteration, then followed by a, which is our lower boundary, and then function of a, and b, higher boundary, and then function of b, and our c, which is midpoint, and then function of c. Next, we need column of FA times FC and FB times FC that will tell us which direction we need to move, whether it is left or right. And lastly, the arrow, which is B minus A. Okay, for A and B, we need to find values that will give us two function output that have opposite sign, so that the product of FA and FB will be less than 0. Okay, what we're gonna do is just simply substitute the value of A and B into the equation, and we're gonna get two function output that have opposite sign. The product of these two will give us negative value. For the C values, we just need to add the value of A and B and then divide by 2. Then just substitute for the function of C. And next we need to find FA times FC followed by FB times FC. And lastly, the arrow, which is B minus A. Next, we are going to use a simple if statement. Just type equals if and then select the values of FA times FC and test if it is less than 0. If true, our root is to the left and our A will remain unchanged, whereas B will take the C value. If false, then the root is to the right and our A will take on the value of C. And then just repeat the same formula for B. And now we are free to bring down all of the other rows. As you can see, after 5 iterations, our error term is lower than 0.05, which means that we are done. And then to plot a graph, we just need to create small steps in the x direction, let's say 0.1, and we'll go from initial boundaries of 0 to 3. Next, just substitute the values of x into the function, and then just simply follow this step and turn it into a graph. And one more thing you can do is to test if the root is valid between the values of a and b. So let's create an if or statement which states that if FA times FC or FB times FC is less than 0. If one of them is less than 0, so we can print true. And if both is not less than 0, so we can print false. Guys, that's all for today's video. Bye!